How was y'all's day? Ours was pretty boring yet again. Didn't get to use the crane today because we had a bunch of welding to do. It is 88.8 degrees. My dash finally came in. Sent me a picture of it, or the package, so when I get home, that's getting put on. And then finally, we can get this GoPro moved up on the dash so it's not pointing that way anymore. So what is y'all's opinion on Chick-fil-A the Lords chicken? I was never big on Chick-fil-A. Their waffle fries were pretty good, but I never got the obsession about the chicken. But it's really not even the chicken, it's the quality of the food that you get and the service. Pretty much every morning, me and Justin will stop for breakfast on the way to work. And there's not a lot of options. Bojangles, Hardee's, and Chick-fil-A. And McDonald's. And they all suck, except for Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A is the only one that is consistently good every single time. I have yet to order anything from Chick-fil-A and it not taste good. Not be a good quality biscuit, a good quality piece of chicken. Their sausage, egg, and cheese, hash brown burritos. Chicken, egg, and cheese hash brown burritos. Never got one that was nasty or nothing like that. I had Hardee's yesterday for breakfast, and the hash browns tasted like crunchy air, and the biscuit, well, I got the Frisco sandwich. It was a little burnt. The ham was kind of crispy. It was kind of nasty. Out of all the places, Chick-fil-A is consistently good. Ain't that right?
Yeah.
Chick-fil-A. No, Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A?
It's always good.
Oh, yeah. I was talking about my drink.
Oh.
Like,
I forgot about that.
I was like, I'm going to insert the video.
Yeah, so I'm gonna insert the video of this morning. We stopped at Chick-fil-A and we always put our drinks in here, and we got to work and Justin's 32-ounce Dr. Pepper cup was completely empty. His tank bag was full. That dude, he was tapping on the top of his truck.
Oh.
There's cops up there.
Yeah, they say at the church.
But yeah, anyways, his entire Dr. Pepper was inside of his tank bag, and he had a hole probably about this big punctured in it. Felt bad for him, but it was rather funny.
Well, oh. That's lovely.
I'm kind of bummed we got to work tomorrow. So Tuesday, which is the day I posted the last video, and I was riding in the rain, I got wet. That day we got sent home because of the rain out on the crane, so we only got 2 hours. So now we got to make it up tomorrow on Friday. I hate working Fridays, especially when it's not on overtime. But judging by my miles, it looks like tomorrow I will be doing a 3,000 mile review on these Tusk tires. Look at them doing wheelies. Show off. I'll get there one day. Oh, I bought Hannah me a new helmet the other day. We happened to, so every Friday, after we take the kids to school, we go out to eat for breakfast. And usually, we'll go to Cracker Barrel. And then after Cracker Barrel, we typically go into Foothills and look at stuff. That, because who doesn't want to go to a power sports store and look at all the cool shit? So we happened to be in there last Friday, and she's been needing a new helmet. She's had hers for I'd say over 5 years. She doesn't ride a lot, so you know, they don't have 5 years worth of use. And we were in there, and she found one she liked, and we found it in her size, so I bought it. I don't know exactly what kind it is. I'll, you know, throw in a little video of it. $200, I think. That's a pretty good deal. It has a light in the back of it, so when she's on the back with me at night, I can turn it on. It can flash, make you extra visible, or whenever she finally gets her own bike, and it's going to make her more visible. I was doing really good a couple weekends ago, and now I just ain't doing worth a shit. That's because my wrist kind of hurts. I think I might have pulled something in my arm. Or I'm just being a pussy, who knows. Bet he does another wheelie.